Hiya, Renee Jones here with Pack Your Own Bag. So, the newest diet solution is da-da-da! Did you just groan? So many options, so many promises, particularly with a quick fix option. You know the ads and messages we see. If you just do X, the weight will fall right off you. And I've told you before to run away from those products. Still, all those testimonials show that some people do shed pounds using them. It can create a hair trigger on your click here finger, can't it? And also leave you wondering whether or not it will work. So are you curious about some of the not so standard methods? And are you ready to cut through the hype and find what will work for you so you can shed the weight you want to shed and keep it off? Well, I have some news. I'm bringing together some of the best experts in the field for a one-day talk show on July 8th, 2021. Some of the methods are thought of as a quick fix, and these experts will show you how to make them actually work for you. Now, this event is completely free, and in addition to the information-rich interviews, guests will offer you something free to help you see results faster. So here's what I want to say about this. We are invested in helping you find the method that will most benefit you. Again, this event is absolutely free for everyone who registers, so feel free to invite some friends. And now let me fill in some gaps. So the talk show is called MythBusters, Making Quick Fixes Work. And no, it's not about pills and potions. But perhaps you've been curious about some of these unusual methods. So I've invited 5 experts. Leslie M. Thornton is a hypnotist. Now you may remember I was a guest on her podcast, Hypnosis for Permanent Weight Loss. Dr. Franchelle Hamilton is a bariatric surgeon, so I'm asking her all kinds of questions. She has a podcast called Your Life Transformed, and a television show is coming out as well. Then there are those magic diet recipes. So I brought in the lovely Carrie Brown. You know, in the low-fat days, we just pulled fat out of recipes. But boy, was that unsatisfying. And now with so much more low carb, we know it's easy enough to pull sugars and starches. But if you want them to taste right, there's an art to it. So Carrie will talk about making those recipes actually work. Heard of keto or carnivore? Amber Wentworth from the Lone Star Keto Girl podcast started out as keto, but she's been living carnivore for a while now. You curious about that? Then there's the just stick to the diet crowd. Yeah, it's never that easy, is it? But for this subject, I'm talking with my original coach, Elizabeth Mansfield. We share the key that made my own weight loss and maintenance work. And there's so much more. Don't miss this opportunity to learn and burst through the myths so that you can find what will work for you. There'll be a link in the notes to reserve your spot for free. I look forward to seeing you. All the best.